Hello and welcome back. We now discuss a few examples from derivatives. The question is find the derivatives of the following functions with respect to x. Now the first function here is x raised to 12. So let y be equal to x raised to 12. Now if we differentiate with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of x raised to 12. Now this is of the form x raised to n, and we know that derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So derivative of x raised to 12 would be 12 times x raised to 12 minus 1, which is equal to 12 times x raised to 11. Let's look at the next one, x raised to minus 9. So again we say let y be equal to x raised to minus 9. Now again we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to minus 9. Now again we use the same formula. Derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. Now in this case n is minus 9, so we have minus 9 into x raised to minus 9 minus 1, which is equal to minus 9 into x raised to minus 10. Let's look at the third one. It's x raised to 3 by 2. So again we say let y be equal to x raised to 3 by 2. Now again differentiating with respect to x, so we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of x raised to 3 by 2. Again using the same formula, we get 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, and that is equal to 3 by 2 into x raised to, now 2 ones is 2, so here we have 3 minus 2, so that's 1 by 2. Let's look at the fourth one. And the fourth function here is 7x root x. So again we say let y be equal to 7 into x into root x. Now before applying the derivative, we just simplify this. Now this could be written as 7 into x raised to half. Now here the power is 1. We could combine these two terms using the law of indices. So a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So we apply this law on these two terms. So we have y is equal to 7 times x raised to 1 plus half. Now 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So we have y equal to 7 times x raised to 2 ones is 2 plus 1, that's 3 by 2. And now we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we obtain dy by dx is equal to, now here in this case 7 is the coefficient of the x term, so we just keep it as it is, times derivative of x raised to 3 by 2. So again we get 7 into, using the formula for x raised to n, here we have 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. Now 7 threes are, so that's 21 by 2 into x raised to, now 2 ones are is 2, so 3 minus 2, so that's 1 by 2. And lastly, the function is 3 raised to 5. So the fifth function is 3 raised to 5. So we say let y be equal to 3 raised to 5. Now if you observe, 3 raised to 5 is a constant function. So if we differentiate with respect to x, we obtain dy by dx is equal to derivative of 3 raised to 5. There is no x term in this. So derivative of constant, as we know, it is equal to 0.